Zumba Dance your way to fitness. It's not just a workout, it's a party where you can let loose and have fun while getting fit. Step 1. Follow the instructor's lead. Watch closely and mimic their movements. Don't worry if you don't get it right away. Practice makes perfect. Step 2. Have fun and enjoy the music. Let the rhythm guide you. Feel the beat and let it move you. Step 3. Move your whole body. Engage every muscle as you dance. The more you move, the more effective your workout. Step 4. Burn calories and feel fantastic. The more you move, the more you burn. It's a fun way to shed those extra pounds. Step 5. Bring your energy, no experience needed, just come as you are. Everyone is welcome, no matter your skill level. Step 6. Suitable for all fitness levels. Everyone can join in. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a place for you. Step 7. Go at your own pace with simple moves. Adjust as needed. Listen to your body and do what feels right. Step 8. Dance and sweat it out. Feel the energy in the room. Let the collective enthusiasm push you further. Step 9. Get ready to start. Warm up and prepare your body. A good warm-up is key to a great workout. Step 10. Have fun and get fit together. Enjoy the group energy. There's nothing like dancing with friends. Let's dance our way to a healthier you. Keep moving and stay motivated. Every step brings you closer to your fitness goals. Cool down and stretch. It's important to relax your muscles. A proper cool down helps prevent injury. Feel accomplished and proud of your effort. Great job. You've earned those smiles. See you next time. Keep dancing and stay fit. We can't wait to dance with you again. Let's warm up our muscles. Start slow and gentle. First, head rolls. Move your head in a circular motion. Do this for 10 seconds. Next, shoulder rolls. Forward and backward. Repeat for 10 seconds each. Now, arm circles. Do 10 circles forward and 10 backward. Lastly, ankle rotations. Rotate each ankle for 10 seconds. Ready to Zumba. Step 1. The salsa step. Step to the right. Bring your left foot to your right foot. Step to the left. Bring your right foot to your left foot. Repeat. Let's break it down further. Start by standing with your feet together. Now step to the right with your right foot. Bring your left foot to meet your right foot. Feel the rhythm and let your hips move naturally. Now step to the left with your left foot. Bring your right foot to meet your left foot. Keep your movements smooth and fluid. Repeat this sequence, stepping right and left for 1 minute. Remember to keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Now let's add some flair. As you step to the right, let your arms sway naturally. When you bring your left foot to your right, add a little bounce. Step to the left and let your arms sway again. Bring your right foot to your left with a bounce. Keep repeating this sequence, adding your own style and personality. Let's do this for another minute. Great job. Now let's speed it up a bit. Step to the right, bring your left foot to your right. Step to the left, bring your right foot to your left. Keep the pace steady and your movements sharp. Repeat this faster sequence for 1 more minute. You're doing amazing! Let's keep going for another minute, maintaining the same pace. Feel the music and let it guide your movements. 1 more minute to go. Keep stepping right and left, bringing your feet together with each step. You're almost there and done! Fantastic work on the salsa step. Remember, the key to mastering the salsa step is to stay relaxed and let the music move you. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect right away. With practice, you'll find your own rhythm and style. Keep practicing and have fun with it. Step 2. The merengue march. March in place, raising your knees high. Pump your arms to the beat. Repeat. Let's break it down. Start by standing with your feet together. Begin marching in place, lifting your knees high with each step. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Now add your arms. Pump them up and down in rhythm with your steps. Feel the energy and let it flow through your body. March in place for 1 minute, keeping your knees high and your arms pumping. Great job. Now let's add some variation. As you march, try lifting your knees even higher. Challenge yourself to reach new heights. Keep your arms moving and your core engaged. March with high knees for another minute. You're doing fantastic. Let's add a twist. As you lift your right knee, twist your torso to the right. When you lift your left knee, twist your torso to the left. Keep this twisting motion going for 1 minute. Feel the burn in your core and keep pushing. Now, let's speed it up. March in place with high knees and a twist, but at a faster pace. Keep your movements controlled and your energy high. Repeat this faster sequence for 1 minute. You're almost there. Keep marching, lifting your knees and twisting your torso. 1 more minute to go. Feel the rhythm and let it drive you. And done! Excellent work on the merengue march. Remember, the merengue march is all about energy and enthusiasm. The higher you lift your knees and the more you pump your arms, the more effective the workout. Keep practicing and pushing yourself to improve. You're doing great. Step 3. The cumbia step touch. Step to the right. Touch your left foot to the side. Step to the left. Touch your right foot to the side. Repeat. Let's break it down. Start by standing with your feet together. Step to the right with your right foot. Touch your left foot to the side, lightly tapping the floor. Step to the left with your left foot. Touch your right foot to the side, lightly tapping the floor. Keep your movements light and graceful. Repeat this sequence for 1 minute. Now let's add some rhythm. As you step to the right, let your hips sway naturally. When you touch your left foot to the side, add a little bounce. Step to the left and let your hips sway again. Touch your right foot to the side with a bounce. Keep repeating this sequence, adding your own style and personality. Let's do this for another minute. Great job! Now let's speed it up a bit. Step to the right, touch your left foot to the side. Step to the left, touch your right foot to the side. Keep the pace steady and your movements sharp. Repeat this faster sequence for 1 more minute. You're doing amazing! Let's keep going for another minute, maintaining the same pace. Feel the music and let it guide your movements. 1 more minute to go. Keep stepping right and left, touching your feet to the side with each step. You're almost there and done. Fantastic work on the Cumbia Step Touch. The Cumbia Step Touch is all about grace and fluidity. Let your body move naturally and enjoy the dance. With practice, you'll find your own rhythm and style. Keep practicing and have fun with it. Repeat all steps for a total of 5 minutes. Let's start with the salsa step. Step to the right, bring your left foot to your right. Step to the left, bring your right foot to your left. Keep repeating this sequence for 1 minute. Now switch to the merengue march. March in place, raising your knees high and pumping your arms. Keep this going for 1 minute. Next, move to the Cumbia Step Touch. Step to the right, touch your left foot to the side. Step to the left, touch your right foot to the side. Repeat this for 1 minute. Now let's go back to the salsa step. Step to the right, bring your left foot to your right. Step to the left, bring your right foot to your left. Keep this going for 1 minute. Finally, switch to the merengue march. March in place, raising your knees high and pumping your arms. Keep this going for 1 minute. Great job! You've completed the Zumba routine. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice these steps, the more natural they will feel. Keep up the great work and enjoy the process. Zumba is not just a workout, it's a celebration of movement and music. So keep dancing, keep smiling, and most importantly, have fun. Section 4. Cool down, relax and breathe. This section is all about winding down and finding your inner peace. Gently stretch your muscles. Hold each stretch for at least 30 seconds. Feel the gentle pull and let your body relax into the stretch. Take deep breaths for 1 minute. Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breathing. Let each breath calm your mind and body. Feel the tension release from your muscles. Let go of any stress. Imagine the stress melting away with each exhale. Stretch your hamstrings for 30 seconds on each leg. Feel the stretch in the back of your thighs. This helps improve flexibility and reduce muscle tightness. Sit with your legs extended. Reach for your toes. Hold for 30 seconds and release. Repeat this stretch twice. This will help in lengthening your muscles. Stretch your quadriceps for 30 seconds on each leg. Feel the stretch in the front of your thighs. This is great for relieving tension in your legs. Stand tall and pull your heel towards your buttock. Hold for 30 seconds on each leg. This stretch helps in balancing and strengthening your legs. Stretch your arms overhead and lean to each side. Hold each side for 20 seconds. Feel the stretch along your sides and enjoy the release. Great job, you did it! Take a moment to appreciate your effort. Celebrate your dedication and the time you've invested in your well-being. Section 5. Keep moving and have fun. Remember, consistency is key. Keep moving every day to see the best results. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Keep moving and enjoy the rhythm. Let the music guide your steps and keep your energy high. Feel the beat and let go. Put on some upbeat music and dance your heart out. You've got this. Remember, the more you move, the better you'll feel. Keep the momentum going and make every dance session count. Celebrate your progress and have fun. Enjoy every step. Dance like nobody's watching and enjoy every moment. You're doing amazing. Keep up the great work. Cool down with some stretches and take a moment to appreciate your hard work. Great job. You deserve it.